Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It is Miss Pugs at New Cumberland Middle School, and I'm going to take you through the goal repair section of GameStar Mechanic. And for this one, we actually have to repair the game. And they're going to give you a lot of helpful hints, but basically you go into the edit section instead of just being in the play section, because if we try to get to this block, we can't, or any of them. We've got to fix it so that we can somehow get to one of the blocks, the star block. So we have to use the move tool, which is over here in the upper right hand corner. I click on this and I'm just going to move this block out of the way. And now I've opened up the path so that I can get to this block. And I push play. And there we go.